What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're gonna be doing a mid taper on one of my cousins, so stay tuned. We're starting off by balding him out with our Gold FX. Make sure you contour this guideline to their head shape. Now that we're done balding him out, we can move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. Instead of blending each guideline one by one, we're gonna stack our guards. We're moving on to our one guard all the way open. Now we're using the lever midway and all the way closed to help you erase that initial guideline. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to the one guard and use our lever to soften up the line. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Now that we're done softening up the line with the one guard, we can move on to our half guard and erase the line completely. Moving on to the two guard all the way open, we're going to be creating our fourth guideline, getting it ready for the 1.5 guard. Now that we're done softening up the line with the two guard, we can move on to our 1.5 guard and erase the line completely. Always make sure to use your lever midway and all the way closed when blending out guidelines. Using the corners with the one guard all the way open is very useful. Now we're using a 3 guard all the way open to flick out and blend into the top bulk. I switched back to the one guard all the way open and used my corners to blend the darkness near the occipital bone. Now we're debulking the side and we're making sure this area is nice and clean before we line it up. Here I'm using a 4 guard all the way open and I'm debulking the sides. Remember to feed the hair into the clipper using your comb. Now that we're done debulking the sides, we can move on to the neckline. I usually like to start off my neckline at the bottom and work my way to the top arch, just like my C cups. The area I'm near, you want to be very gentle because the skin is very light and could get cut by the teeth of the clipper. Moving on to the side taper, we're going to start off our first guideline at a curved shape and we're going to destroy the sideburn and take out the whole beard. Now that we're done balding them out, we can move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. Remember to follow the same shape you created with your trimmers. To blend this initial guideline, you're going to use your lever midway and all the way closed. Moving on to the one guard all the way open, we're going to create our third guideline and get ready for the half guard. Using the 2 guard all the way open, we're going to go ahead and create our fourth guideline and get ready for the 1.5 guard. The 1.5 guard is going to help us connect the whole fade. Now we're using the 3 guard all the way open, and this is going to help us blend into the top bulk. Here I'm adding some extra detail with my 1.5 guard all the way open. Before you line him up, we're making sure all the hair is nice and laid down. We're also making sure we press very softly and we go very slow with the trimmer, making sure the hair feeds into the trimmer teeth. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Also, leave a comment if you made it this far into the video. Lining up the C-cup, I always like to start off at the bottom and work my way to the top arch. I always like to take my time and be very careful in this area. Now that we're done with the haircut, we can move on to our Turkish razor and Derby premium blades and make them as crispy as possible. We're also going to be doing his eyebrows and his mustache.